Okay, let's make our nose big in Photoshop. So the first thing I want to do is I want to make sure I'm working on the right layer and I have it selected. And you can see that a selected layer has this blue color to it, and deselected is just a default gray. So select your layer first, and then what you want to do is grab yourself a selection tool like the lasso tool, freehand selection tool, and select around the nose. It's okay to be sloppy about this because we're going to go in and erase most of it anyway. So I have a selection around my nose, and what I want to do is I want to copy this selection and move it to a new layer. So I'll go to Edit, Copy, and then Layer, New, Layer via Copy. And I can see now I have that selection outputted to a new layer. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my Free Transform tool, and I will scale up my nose a little bit. Something like that. I think will look pretty funny. I'll click the check mark to accept my transformation. And then I'm going to grab my eraser tool. I'm going to select a soft round brush. I'll leave hardness at 0%. And I'll grab a brush size that's appropriate to what I need to do. So something maybe around the lines of 50 pixels will work. And I'm also going to drop the flow down. I believe your flow by default is at 100%. Drop it down to around 50%. And then zoom in and begin to erase around your nose. And you can see that as you do, the nose is blending in perfectly with the skin tone around your face. And that's how you make your nose big in Photoshop.